Well, just wanted to give you a little update what's going on here in the loft. Babies are looking good. You know, here's Daddy. And we got two little youngsters here looking good. You know, hey, looking pretty good. The siblings looking good. You guys kind of curious. I'm not sure if that's going to be a blue bar or not. I'm not sure. But anyways, they're looking pretty good. Okay. These guys are look pretty good. Okay. These guys down here finally had their babies. And Mama here sitting and watching over the babies. But anyways, these guys here are doing pretty good. Looking good. Little stinkers. I know their guys are hungry. This box here, they still haven't laid any eggs, but they're starting to make nest material, so I'm hoping they're gonna lay eggs soon. The one on the bottom down here, there's finally laid an egg, sitting on the egg again. That's the one I took from this next box here, and I put it up here with these guys. As you can see here, oops, these guys are looking good. See? Babies are looking good, nice and healthy. Crops are full, which is good. That means parents are taking good care of them. Okay, these guys are looking good. See? Everybody's looking good. Okay. And down here on the bottom, they finally had babies, which is good. See? You can see one baby hanging out there. Anyways, these guys are here looking good. It's two reds here. As you can see here, we got one red for sure, and probably a blue check out of two red ones. But that's okay. We'll take it. Down here, my boost charts, we got, looks like a blue check, and probably a blue check splash. Yep, with white flights. See? Ooh, baby. Yeah. Baby looking good. Yeah. Anyways, I don't know if you remember that small pigeon that was in the other loft over there. Anyways, it still didn't get very big. So these guys' egg went infertile on me. So it was fertile, but I don't know what happened. They weren't sitting on it long enough. But anyways, so I put the baby here, oops, underneath there. And he's still pretty scrawny looking, but I'll see. I'll keep track of that one and see how he does. But so far this year, I banded 27 babies so far, which is actually pretty good considering it's not even the end of January yet. So everybody's looking good. As you can see here, them two white ones, they're doing pretty good. That's White Lightning and his mate, 6910. I think is what his number is. But anyways, but they're looking good. You know, Dad's over there, Mom's sitting there. These guys are hungry. These guys, it's kind of chilly out here. As you can see here, I couldn't get all the frozen poop off there, so. But it happens, you know, this time of year, so. But everybody's looking really good. I'll kind of give you a little update in the other loft and show you how they're doing in there too, so. Well, we're in the Ceon loft right now. These guys finally had their little baby, okay? Or say a couple babies. They're looking good. Yeah, I know he's being very protective. Okay, we got a couple there. They're looking good. I think they're going to be barless the way they're looking here. I wouldn't even try to do that. At least I think so. It's hard to tell yet. I'm not very good at telling colors yet, so. But on the other side over here, the blue bar over here. These are all my Ceons in here that we're doing. Anyways, yeah, looking pretty good. Hey, everybody doing good. Mama's taking care of them, or Daddy, I should say. But everybody's looking good and getting here, so. I just want to kind of show you in here. This old guy right here. He is like a 2009 or 2007 old Ceon. He comes from excellent bloodlines. I had him before. I brought him out to a friend since I moved and stuff. But I mean, he's a fantastic looking bird. He feels great in the hand. He's lightweight, smoothie silk. He's a beautiful looking bird. I'm hoping he can still produce me a few young ones yet this year. The one that was in there a little bit ago looks just like him. That's his daddy. He's the daddy of that one in there. So I'm hoping that he passes the genes along. So, but everybody in here is looking good. So hopefully everything turns out good. This little guy in here is doing pretty good. This is the one I had a single baby. I put that other little one in here with him, and for some reason this one way out past the other one. So, but needless to say, I showed you him in the other loft over there. He's doing pretty good. So that one's out of Denny's line. That's why part of the reason I'm working so hard to keep him. Otherwise, it wouldn't be such a big deal if it wasn't. So that's why I'm trying to keep him alive to see how he does. So just gotta keep better records of him. But anyways, show you the other ones. These guys in here are doing good. Looking pretty good. Yeah, these little squirts. Huh. Yeah, come on out. That way people can see you. Yeah. Little guys, they're looking pretty good. Cute little guys. So in here, these guys are the first ones I hatched. Yeah, very nice. See how big he's getting, huh? Yeah. Yeah, you guys are looking pretty good. Getting big, babies. Getting big. And then this one down here. Oh, this is out of Danny's line. Okay. This is the other one that was... He had a nest mate, and I told you he's underneath that other one over there. The one that then had the baby went stale on me, so you can't see him very good with Dad's hand on him, huh? Yeah. Yeah, it's okay, Dad. See, he's such a beautiful looking bird. Yeah. Yeah, look at you. Big boy, aren't you? Yeah, stay there. Stay there, look at that. Yeah, you're a pretty bird. Yeah. Okay, come on now. Anyways. I put the other ones down here for now. I just got done cleaning out their little thing. These guys in here. They actually belong over there, but I was in here cleaning, so I put them in there. Yeah. Guys are looking pretty good. So, hope you liked the little update. I got a little video here at the end watching pigeons eat in slow motion, so hopefully you enjoy it. So please like, share, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.